Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to a new video. Guys, आज का सेटअप तो एकदम ही डिफरेंट है because I am not even at my home, not in my studio, but also in a totally different country. We are in Bhutan and I am shooting a Get Ready With Me. So it's been a couple of days here. You guys are going to see the vlogs from here very soon. It's a total surprise that I'm in a totally different country traveling here. And I thought to kickstart the Bhutan series, why not shoot a Get Ready With Me so that you guys get a sneak peek of the landscape and join me in this series. सबसे पहली बात, बिकॉज वी हैव ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप्स एंड नेचर, आई थॉट जो मेरा आज का टॉप है दैट हैज़ बिन इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस. There's a lot of neutrals also going on इनके आर्किटेक्चर में, as you can already see. So I thought कि ये टॉप काफ़ी स्टैंड आउट भी करेगा and this will be linked in the description box. So I've already done that, prepped my face and now it's time to move on to makeup. So the first thing I'm going to do is going with my makeup prep spray. So I'm going in with the Max Fix Plus. Guys, जितने भी products मैं use कर रही हूँ and in my outfit I will be linking it down in the description box below. Okay, second thing, beauty blender के साथ I'm going to go in with the classic Fit Me foundation. This is literally the most versatile foundation ever. And literally this is my travel holy grail because then I don't have to carry any other foundation. The day I want heavy makeup, I can just layer this on as well. Foundation is all done. I'm going to stop here because I don't want to go too much also because थोड़ा सा केकी हो जाता है. To complete the base next, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ ट्रैवल में, एक तो I am going in with this natural lip and cheek tint. This gives now a very natural color to the face and because ये tint है तो ये उतना drying out नहीं होता है. And next to layer it even further because blush at least मेरे लिए बहुत जल्दी remove हो जाता है, इसीलिए I am going in with a powder blush as well. तो एक तो ये जो मैंने cheek tint लगाया था उसको reinforce कर देगा because this is a powder and of course it will give a nice shine to the face as well. यहाँ पे ना there's a lot of different landscapes but of course mainly you have mountains and beautiful scenic greenery going on. The weather is damn nice, like दिन में it's very hot but throughout the day the temperature sort of dips and it's very cozy as well. So I'm loving this sort of very rosy pinkish vibe. And to complete the face next हम जा रहे हैं contour के साथ. Now contour honestly तो pictures में बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है because it gives you that nice snatched face. And apart from cheekbones I'm also going to apply it on the forehead. I think मेरी face shape को ना ये काफ़ी सूट करता है because it's sort of a diamond face shape. Also another thing I have to be really careful about while traveling is that makeup has to be long lasting. मतलब हम 6-8 घंटे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद you want the makeup to stay in place. तो एक तो जो मैंने आईब्रो के लिए डिस्कवर कर लिया जो पहले बहुत ज़्यादा टास्क होता था मेरे लिए is that I first take a spoolie and I fan out my eyebrows. And ये वाली जो पेंसिल है ना मिस क्लेयर की, इसके एक एंड पे स्पूली है और एक एंड पे पेंसिल भी है, but I don't think right now कि मुझे कुछ ऐड करने की जरूरत है. So the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Pacti transparent gel. Now this works amazingly well. एक तो इसमें कोई कलर पे ऑफ कुछ नहीं है. It's completely transparent and it completely holds my brows in place and especially if you have thick brows then ये तो एक absolute saver है. So transparent gel लगाया and then just with the spoolie I'm going to set it in place. Face काफी हद तक complete हो गया है. I think next I'm just going to do a little bit of eyes because eyes में I'm not going very heavy with the eyeshadow. So all I'm doing is मैं basically travel के लिए सिर्फ ये दोनों eyeshadow palette carry कर रही हूँ. So Makeup Revolution के लिए है ये and I actually got them at a very good deal and together they have like all the colors. I think आज की vibe के लिए I'm just going to take this light peachish color I think with this color and बस एक basic shape create करें so that the eyes get a pop of eyeshadow. I don't think going in too heavy makes sense. I'm gonna stop here because I don't want कि एकदम dinchak मतलब eyes लगे. Okay, for liner मेरा I think 1-2 साल से literally trusted old liner है. So this is the Maybelline का Tattoo Colossal liner and this is literally all I need. This doesn't smudge मतलब इस लाइनर की तो I can literally take guarantee. Okay, now the most important thing, lipstick. and मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा combination मिला है lipstick का which is smudge proof. So I first basically go in with the Maybelline matte lipstick, ठीक है? Because ये क्या करता है एक अच्छा सा basically boundary या फिर shape देता है lips को. And guys ये वाला combination मैं इतना पहन रही हूँ इस trip पे. This gives a nice base and then to top it off Maybelline का ही this is this liquid lipstick. This gives a very nice glossy finish and color. I have these beautiful pearl earrings जो आज मैं pair up करने वाली हूँ इस टॉप के साथ. And ये है मेरा go to travel bag. Like अभी तक मैं एक black basic bag यूज करी जिसमें सब कुछ फिट आ रहा था. But ये cross body I think मैंने एक haul में भी दिखाया, got it from Amazon. Will be linked down below. And this is in a beautiful shape. And today I think it's matching my outfit.